Hello everyone and welcome to another YachtWay Spotlight. Today I am on board this StanCraft Hammerhead, a boat that is so special that if you feel like you want to live like a true Gatsby, this is the boat for you.
Hey yada hada yada hey yo.
Hey yada 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 hey yo.
Hip hip it up.
Hip hip it up.
Ride yada 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 yo. Rub up 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 up.
This one is powered by twin Ilmor 520 horsepower engines and 520 horsepower times 2, which means you get top speeds of this boat around 50 knots, which is absolutely staggering numbers. All the way in the back, you also have a nice fixed swim platform. So come onto the boat from the water and as you're getting out. And of course, this amazing sunbed. This hardtop is fully made of carbon fiber. It actually starts from all the way back, making this super sleek look. And again, homage Gatsby era. I think this is the perfect boat to cruise around in Miami or in the lakes area in general. Now, keep carrying on. You have two cup holders on either side. You have nice fender storages on both sides. On your port and starboard side, you have these very nice speakers. As we carry on, you also have wireless charging mat all across the boat, and the phones start charging. If you're not a type of person who likes wireless chargers, well, not to be worried, because you also have USB plugs on either side. You actually have kind of like a mounting option, attach a table, giving you plenty of space and plenty of entertainment areas, even when you want to dine on this boat. What's great is you have a fridge drawer over here as well, and nice deck lighting that is all around the boat. Now, getting on and off the boat is super easy because you do have on your starboard side a nice boarding door. This whole thing opens up. This is a great opportunity to see how beautifully everything is finished. This is a full mahogany hull. And when we talk about mahogany hull and we talk about the build quality of the boat, these guys at StanCraft, they're not fresh off the boat and started building boats a couple years ago. No, they have been building boats since 1933. This is 2024 right now. They've been building boats for a century. And what's even more incredible is the whole brand has stayed in the same family. So this is now a third generation that builds these amazing, beautiful looking, like I said, Frank Sinatra time, Gatsby time boats. I'm even, dressed for an occasion. And this is a proper Helm Station. And not that it just is classic, but it also has these modern functional features that you would expect and you would want to have on a boat. For example, this seat. Obviously, you can just stand up comfortable, and because the hardtop is actually curved, so it gives you plenty of space even at the helm station. So this is elevated helm station, and I still have space above my head. I'm 6'1", so you see, super comfortable. You have nice leather finish for your armrest, a joystick. You have your throttle controls, wooden steering wheel. Only thing I'm missing right now is a fedora and a cigar. And I would just be cruising around to an open horizon and enjoying this. You have to be into this kind of a style, and you have to be looking into this kind of classic lines of a boat, which this boat very much has. You have these analog controls, homage to the history of the brand, and also a Garmin monitor for your instruments and also your engine control panel. You have your horn, your navigation lights, anchor lights, blowers, etc. Everything on your left hand, and a start-stop button for your engines. And of course, not to mention, you have your trim tabs, zip wake trim tabs here as well. So as I mentioned, you have wireless charger on the aft, and you have an additional wireless charger, audio control for your music, and nice storage all underneath these seats. So the good thing is we do have some stuff already inside, so you can kind of see how much it can fit. The life jacket, some lines, some fenders. You don't want to hold your phone in your hand. You can neatly tuck it away, and they have made the phone holder with felt inside, making sure you don't get any scratches, and fits your iPhone perfectly inside over there. You have this lounge area with a nice love seat. You can easily have two people sit next to each other. And you also have a galley with a fridge. And of course, you have a bottle of wine ready to go at moment's notice. Of course, a nice prep area as well, with plenty of cubbies to store everything. What's also very notable, Even inside the drawers, they have put felt so nothing rattles when you're going, 50 at 50 knots. You want to make this whole thing feel as quiet as possible. So right behind this panel, we have your electrical panel. So you can control your breakers, everything from right here. And what's notable once again is even the door is handmade from mahogany to match the rest of the theme of the boat. Very, very nicely done. When the time calls, confessional room may be a necessity. This boat very much has that all the way at the bow. Now what's something notable and remarkable about it is all the finishes inside. Everything is beautifully finished, even though this is a room you would probably spend the least amount of time at. But once again shows the true craftsmanship that people at StanCraft possess. So all the way at the bow, you have a nice seating area. And the first thing I noticed is the backrests are very, very high. Meaning you get a very safe place to be. Even when you're going at full speeds, you wouldn't feel like you're gonna fall out the boat or in any shape or form that it's unsafe to be here, which is really nice. Something that you don't notice unless I point it out is this Garmin VHF, your radar over here, matching the cushion color, but something that is here, but it doesn't bother you. You also have these armrests. I mean, yeah. So while the captain or the pilot is having a time of his life to drive this thing, you can have the same comfort all the way at the bow. Nice storage area over here. Keep all your nitty-gritty if you need to do so. Deck lighting and LED lighting glowing over the mahogany floors. As well as cup holder, you have your speakers and USB plugs on both sides as well. What's really neat is this black is for the heater.
This video is brought to you by YachtWay. If you're looking to buy a modern yacht, then visit yachtway.com. Platform made for the 21st century. And these are the boats recently listed for sale around the world.
This was a full walkthrough of StanCraft Hammerhead 390 HD. HD standing for hardtop. If you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button down below. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. And if you have any suggestions or recommendations, write them down in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching. We will see you on the next one.
Careful child, never